Hey guys, we're back for another video. And I'm here with Jay.
Hey.
Okay guys, now comment down below what you want to see. Make sure to subscribe. My mom said she subscribed. Okay guys, I hope you like my videos. And you guys, if you guys want to see more, hit that like button. Every 100 dabs, every 100 likes, I'll do a dab, okay? If you want to see me dab, hit that like button. Okay, guys? Now, today we are going to test my Nerf guns. Here's the bullet. Here's a Nerf bullet. Okay? This is a mega one. They're usually a little shorter and thinner. And they really hurt. Look, there's some in here. Okay, guys? And we will see you in a second like this. Like this. Okay, guys, we're back. And we're going to find a way to put in my guns in 1 second. Just like a... Okay, guys. So now we got finally got the bullets in here.
Yes.
It was really hard.
No, it wasn't.
Now we're going to shoot it, okay? No, we're not going to shoot it anywhere near my bed because it could fall through, guys, okay? So we'll show this. Whoa. It went pretty fast, guys. This is a very Nerf dart bullet.
Hey guys, so I'm at...
Now 1 second, guys.